What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply a color point to your photos taken on your Samsung phone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up this picture here that I've taken. As you can see, this picture here focus, let's say, on the chopper while there's a Spider-Man in the background. So let's click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click on the details. Now you can see all the colors are actually in this picture, but click on the background effects here at the top. And from here, you want to go ahead and you can change this. As you can see, I have the blur effect and you can still see the chopper and the Spider-Man fairly clearly, but you want to go over and search for one that says color point. And as you can see, it focus now on the chopper, give you all the colors, but then the Spider-Man is in pure black and white in the background. Then once you're finished, just click on save, guys. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and apply a color point in your photos on your Samsung phone.